these carvings here appear to have been carved in a sequence. They appear to have been carved at different periods of time. So you have this first carving here, and there's the characteristic face there, and there's the arm here, carved around this knot, which is kind of interesting.
So this is the one that you really would like preserved?
Well, all three of them, because I think the association Nirmala is really, really intriguing. Yeah. So and that's a hard line here, and so here we have a line, a bent line here, extending into the second carving, and because it originates from this carving, then this line postdates the carving, obviously, and it's open here into this carving. So the fact that it's open here but closed here suggests that this is the second carving. So we've got the face here and the lower body there. And then at a later point in time, this third face is indented, and then carving 3. Yeah, so it's a really nice example. And as you know, there are carvings that are carved at the same time because they're roughly equal, they're symmetrical, they're proportional, they're equal sizes. There's no question. I think they were carved by the same person with the same intent in mind, whereas this carving is well, these I shouldn't say carvings, these engravings or these forms. Yeah, it's hard to break that, isn't it? But these forms are indented at different periods of time. Yeah, that's really cool.
Both in the New Zealand and world context, I think these taonga are very, very unique. They're one of a kind. I mean, the only ones of this particular kind. And I think we should be putting our resources into preserving them.
So when you chop this tree down, you've got the moisture transport happening in the natural tree process. That's stopped. You've got all these other moisture transfers wanting to happen. And then
you've got all the microbes that were in there dying.
And
making that an issue as well. You know,
having seen them over the years, I'm actually quite pleased that at the state they are in. It's two different tasks. You know, there's one that's kind of preventive, where I want to make sure that we keep all the bugs away from the taonga so that they don't get eaten up. They did, so that it's natural for bugs to come in.
It's pretty soft. It doesn't feel that wet though.
So making sure that happens. Climate control is another one that is a big issue, which is we are battling against that, but slowly, little bits of pieces coming together, and may soon end up in a new building. And then the other thing is doing actual conservation work, treatment work as such. When something is really, getting to a stage where we will lose parts of the taonga, I've been actually doing the treatment, gluing parts together, consolidating the loose elements and the internal soft parts. It's a hard battle, but I'd like to feel good about it, and we will succeed somehow.